In a bustling city, there was an old abandoned toy factory that stood at the edge of town. The factory was once a place of joy and laughter, where toys were made to bring happiness to children. However, over the years, it had fallen into disrepair and was rumored to be haunted. One evening, a group of friends, Emma, Max, and Lily, decided to explore the factory. They had heard stories about strange noises and ghostly figures, and their curiosity got the better of them. Armed with flashlights and a sense of adventure, they made their way to the factory. As they entered the factory, the air grew colder, and the sound of their footsteps echoed through the empty halls. The factory was filled with old, dusty toys and machinery that had long been forgotten. The friends ventured deeper into the factory, their flashlights casting eerie shadows on the walls. In one of the rooms, they found a large, ornate toy chest. Emma's eyes sparkled with excitement as she carefully opened it, revealing a collection of old handmade toys. As they examined the toys, they noticed that one of them, a wooden puppet, seemed to move on its own. Suddenly, the factory lights flickered, and the friends heard a faint ghostly whisper. They turned around to see a figure standing in the doorway. It was the ghost of the factory's original owner, Mr. Thompson, who had dedicated his life to making toys for children. Mr. Thompson's ghost explained that the factory was haunted because the toys had absorbed the joy and laughter of the children who had played with them. The toys had come to life, and Mr. Thompson had stayed to watch over them. He asked the friends to help him restore the factory to its former glory. With Mr. Thompson's guidance, Emma, Max, and Lily worked tirelessly to clean and repair the factory. They fixed the machinery, polished the toys, and even created new ones. As they worked, the factory began to come alive with the sounds of laughter and joy. In the end, the factory was transformed into a magical place where children could come to play and create their own toys. The friends had not only uncovered the secrets of the haunted toy factory, but had also brought it back to life. And from that day on, the factory was filled with the laughter and happiness of children, just as Mr. Thompson had always dreamed.